So we had a bad day yesterday. Driving down the road, pulling to a truck stop, pulling out of the truck stop, hit a dip in the road. Pretty much the road goes away. We fall into the road and tear the whole front end off of this coach. Or at least the door, and maybe I'm exaggerating, but it's just frustrating to me. Because here's the thing, it's not so much that the worst thing of the accident, and it's not really even the money, but we live in this full time. So we're here today with our insurance adjuster. We're at Camping World Collision Center in Belleville, Michigan, and we're going to see if they can get it done. We're going to be in Michigan, thankfully, for the first time in a long time. We're actually in an area for a month, and because our son's getting married June 1st, and we're going to be here for the entire month, and we're hoping that they can get it fixed in this month. Rowlett's Freedom Run. Before I show you the big damage of the front end, this is also the damage. In some ways, I think this might be worse and harder to fix. So it pushed the whole bumper back. See that? That's all fiberglass. That's supposed to fit inside of there. I don't know how they're going to fix that. I just don't know. I hope they don't have to get a whole new front end, because that'll take months. This is an 04. I don't even know if they can do it. This is the bad part. Look at that. So our generator door, took off the generator door and just popped it right smack off. And that's what's laying inside the coach. One other piece that we got here is it also pushed it back right here. And so that is all, the paint's come off that. And then this door doesn't shut all the way or at all. So you can imagine how frustrating this is, and how I'm hoping they can get it done within a month. But I would say it like this, I'm not expecting it. So no fun. So here's the deal. This is part of it. This is part of life. This is part of RVing life. This is part of full-time on the road. It's not always fun. It's not always easy, and bad things happen sometimes. It's more about how you handle it, how you deal with it, how you get through it, how you get over it. And really, Gale and I are safe, and as long as we're together, we're good. So we're really excited today. They finally got done with our motorhome, and you remember we wrecked the front of it. So not we.
You.
It wasn't.
You, yeah.
I hit a pothole.
Do you have a worm in your pocket?
Yeah. So anyhow, today that's what we're doing. We're gonna go pick up the coat. Thought we'd take you on the journey of seeing what our coach looks like without it being completely busted, tore up, messed up. So we're excited. Here we go. Come on. So he completely had to repaint it all, and put all new pieces in, reattach the fiberglass, had to match all the different paints, which I find is incredible. It's like literally like 5 different paint lines he had to repair to find and repaint. He got this whole side here that was redone. Down in here, this was all tore up. Remember, it was actually pushed packs past it, broke all off into there. He fixed all that. The door shuts now. If you remember correctly, the door wasn't shutting before. This was shoved past here, all the way up to here. And he's redone all this whole cab here. And they even washed it for us. Pretty cool. Okay, so we got all the paperwork done and she's ready to roll. They told me just now, just an amazing little insight to this, is that this paint scheme is no longer even made. And they had one shop that was like over 100 miles away. They had to drive to go get this paint. It's the last can of paint that's even available in this color. And because it's like it's actually an effect on the paint. And so he said, the good news is he gave us like the last pint of it. So in case anything ever happened, we would have it, you know, for our coach. The other thing he said, they got so many compliments on this. Every time somebody walk in, they're like, wow, I've never seen a paint job like that. We didn't paint it like this. This is literally the way that it came from the factory. And now it's restored and renewed and finished, and we're grateful, and we're getting on the road. We're going up near Newfoundland, and excited. That's our next trip, Newfoundland. Come on.